Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Azay, and today I'm showing you one of the exclusive recipes that will help you unlock 1 inch plus of hair growth per month from our hair growth guide, Growth Training 101. This recipe specifically is highly beneficial and recommended for you to use if you want to promote extreme accelerated hair growth. Not only has it been proven through our clients, customers, and even our own experiences using this specific recipe to thicken hair and make it grow much faster, but it is also full of ingredients known to promote an extremely healthy scalp and well-fed hair follicles, which are both essential to growing your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger. So, if you like what you're hearing and if you like what you're seeing, please make sure to like, comment your favorite season, and subscribe because it helps Sierra and I continue making videos you love to watch and videos that actually help you achieve your hair goals. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. As a quick disclaimer, this recipe is spectacular for hair growth, but it works best and fastest when used together with the other hair growth recipes, routines, and techniques in our hair growth guide. So if you want the fastest and safest results, make sure to grab our guide while it's still on sale for this very limited time, as its price will be going up very soon. This is because all customers who've already bought the guide will be receiving additional months added onto the plan they receive with new exclusive hair growth recipes to further accelerate their hair growth, as their hair by now is prepped for stronger and even more intense treatments. And when those treatments hit the guide, the price is going up. So, if you already bought the guide and have been implementing the routines consistently for at least 3 to 4 months, buckle up, because this was only the beginning to growing your hair longer, thicker, and stronger than you thought was possible. And for those of you who haven't purchased it yet, let these testimonials and what I'm saying now be your sign to grab it, especially while it's still on sale. Now, let's get into this recipe. For now, you just need rice, water, a lemon or lime, and a bowl. Add rice and water to a bowl and start washing it. With this wash, you're just washing off any dirt or debris that may have gotten stuck to the rice, so you don't have to go super hard. You're just going to mix it lightly just to get any of the unsavory pieces out of your rice. Now you're going to drain this first rinse out of your bowl and add more water until it fully submerges the rice. Now you're going to really wash it. You want to rub the rice between your hands and your fingers, releasing all the good minerals and nutrients from the rice into the water. For this step, you may want to use a bigger bowl instead of the size of the one pictured here. Next, you're going to cut the peel of your citrus fruit of choice. The Red Ya women who popularized rice water use pomelos, others use oranges, others still grapefruit. As for me, I'm using lime because I simply love the smell. Once you add the peels, you're done with this step and you're ready to cover your rice and set it to the side. There are a few other ingredients that also go into the fermenting rice for extra strength and impact, but those additional ingredients, as well as the exact measurements of everything you're seeing, are exclusively in the guide. So now you're going to mix this together just to get some of the ingredients acquainted with each other so it can marinate a little bit better, and this is what it should look like. Now you're just going to cover this and let it sit overnight for at least 12 hours. You want this to sit. After at least 12 hours, your rice water is ready to use. So you're going to grab an empty spray bottle, water, and your conditioner and oil of choice. Here I'm adding in water with a styrofoam cup because I don't have a measuring cup or anything with a pointed nozzle to distribute these ingredients, so you'll see that throughout the rest of this video. And here I'm adding in my conditioner, that which I had to slice in half because if you don't know, my family and I recently relocated to Mexico and they don't have this conditioner, so I was like, I need to use whatever I have left from when we first came over here. And so yeah, I was determined. I put it up in that styrofoam cup and distributed it as you are seeing now. And once you get your conditioner and your water into your bottle, you want to mix them together because as you see, the conditioner is a bit clumpy. But when you go to mix it, don't shake it like crazy as you see me doing. Just give it a light shake because then it's going to foam and you're not going to have enough space for the rest of your ingredients. Now what I'm showing you is the rice water in the cup, and I'm pouring that in as well. And just, be careful not to drop anything because this is precious cargo. Now you're just going to add in your oil, and once you get everything into your bottle, now you can shake it like you just don't care, okay? Shake it, shake it, shake it, and shake it some more because, well, water and oil don't mix. So it's going to separate, and every time you go to use it, you're going to have to shake it well. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, there are a few other ingredients that goes in here, but this is the rice water recipe at its base. And again, if you want it to work its best and work as quickly as you want it to, I encourage you to grab our Growth Training 101 guide, because this is one of those products where if you don't use it properly, it's not going to work properly, and you want it to work properly so that you can achieve your hair goals as quickly and as safely as possible. I am going to show you how to apply it, but to get the most out of this product and the best results for your hair, I recommend purchasing the guide and using it with its designated product and technique counterparts in the growth training routine you receive in the guide. As for the excess rice water, you can bag it and freeze it for future use, or you can leave it in the refrigerator for up to a week and refill your spray with it as it runs low throughout the week. Now we are going to get into application. You're going to take your hair down and remind yourself how cute you are. Then you're going to take your spray bottle with warm water and completely dampen your hair and scalp. The warm water helps open up your cuticles a bit so the nutrients and moisture from the treatment can penetrate your hair shaft, even though this treatment is mostly all about the scalp. We'll get to that later. So you want to spray your hair, scalp, and ends with this warm water and begin massaging your scalp to get the blood flowing. Next, you're going to grab your rice water treatment, give it a little shake, and begin applying it all over. You're going to spray it all over your hair, but you really want to focus on your scalp for this step. This is because what's going to accelerate your hair growth is the nutrients from the rice water penetrating your scalp and entering your hair follicles, so they will be equipped with the vital vitamins and minerals to produce longer hair at a faster rate. Hair grows by the blood vessels in your scalp, nourishing your hair follicles by carrying essential nutrients to them. We can accelerate this process of hair growth by using topical treatments that promote a healthy scalp and that also gives our hair follicles additional essential nutrients. After you get the treatment all over your scalp and massage it in a little bit, you're going to invert your head and spray your hair down. I do this because I find that I get a more even coating of the treatment all over my hair than if I were standing upright. This just allows me to easily spray my hair evenly from root to tip, so I definitely recommend this. And this is new for me, but while your head is still inverted, you're going to massage everything in for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Massaging while inverting your head is doubly increasing the blood flow to your hair follicles. And like I said earlier, blood flow is crucial to hair growth. So inverting and massaging at the same time is a great way to accelerate your hair growth. So I'm going to be doing this each time I use this spray. And speaking of, I will use this 3 times a week and follow the exact same steps I showed you each time. And that's it. If you want to go in with a oil that has additional hair growth accelerating ingredients in it, you can feel free to do so. This treatment is actually gentle enough to work with other treatments. I won't be, because there's already oil in this treatment that I'm using, and so I will just be wearing my hair down for 10 or so minutes to let my hair dry, because it is wet, before I style it. And that is also what I recommend for you to do as well, if you cannot simply just wear your hair down. And the reason why I recommend you letting your hair dry a bit is because you don't want your hair to develop that mildewy smell. I went ahead and styled my hair into the super cute ponytail that I've been wearing my hair in ever since I put these braids in. And yes, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Drop any of your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to get to them. And do not forget to shop this 50% off sale on the guide, because I guarantee you will not want to miss out on what we have in that guide and the new recipes that we have coming to it, okay? I am on a journey to thigh length, and I'm confident I will achieve that. And I want you all to do it with us, because Sierra will also be on the journey to growing her hair longer as well. So until next time, lovelies, bye.